Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by clearing the channel so the new cord can pass smoothly. Use a safety pin or a small paperclip twisted closed. Attach it firmly to the string end. Hold the hoodie steady with one hand and insert the pin tip into the channel opening, keeping tension on the string so it doesn't slip. Once the pin is inside, push gently while bunching fabric forward. This shortens the working length and makes the next step faster and more reliable. Now you push the pin through the tunnel by alternately bunching the fabric toward the pin and sliding the pin forward. This lets small movements advance the cord. Maintain steady tension on the trailing string so the pin stays attached and the cord doesn't retract. If you encounter resistance, rotate or wiggle the pins slightly while pulling the fabric back a bit. This eases past the obstruction without tearing the seam. Make sure you feel the tip reach the opposite opening, but once the pin reaches the far opening, grab the pinned end and pull the cord fully through until both ends are even. Tie small knots or attaglets so the cord won't slip back into the channel. Test by adjusting the hood draw. If the cord snags mid-run, don't yank, back the pin a few inches, smooth the fabric, then advance again. This controlled backtracking clears folds or stitching catches and prevents seam damage, which is the main failure mode for this method.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.